New Hampshire's beaches have reopened. Day one's visitors seem to be complying with the requirements to keep moving and stay socially distanced.
Well, I got here first thing this morning and we found that people were on the beach walking, running, all of the things that we said you could do.
Cool temperatures and constant wind helping make this a quiet first day, a chance for the state and the towns along the coast to ease back into things.
Lifeguards are going to be on duty every day. We have maintenance staff doing the bathrooms and the trash. Park Patrol will be watching the parking lots to make sure that state parks keeps to the compliance of 50% parking.
On a hot summer day, that could make it tough for travelers because with lots reduced, they still aren't allowed to park along Route 1A either. But that clearly not an issue today. Having the beaches reopened is a crucial part of getting the economy rolling again. Many of the B&Bs and cottages and rentals that are along the coast are dependent on people being able to get on the beach. Landlords and rental agencies saying reservations would be canceled or not made at all if they couldn't. So it's a big week for the lodging industry. The beach opening up today and lodging on Friday.
I can tell you after the governor's announcement on Friday, the phone started ringing off the hook.
The hope is that if things go well in June, that some of the restrictions might be lessened by the 4th of July. At the beach, Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.